If you have abdominal separation, or if you're unsure if you've got abdominal separation, it is really simple to check this for yourself. I would highly recommend seeing a women's health physio to get a double check and just make sure everything's okay. But one thing I want to emphasize to you is that the gap is not the be-all end-all. We need to think about a functional core, and it's about the depth of the diastasis as well as the separation, as well as how functional is your core, okay? And this talks about also the intra-abdominal pressure. So if you see any doming happening when you sit up, or when you're lifting anything heavy, or any planking, any push-up, any of those sort of movements, which I wouldn't recommend doing postpartum anyway, but what you want to look at is, am I getting that doming? If so, that I'm not regulating the intra-abdominal pressure properly, all right? So you want to be thinking about that connection, pelvic floor, and that wrap around your torso to get that corrective activation to reduce worsening your diastasis recti, okay? So when you do a check, basically you just roll onto your side, onto your back, relax, have your hands like this, and then you just look up. And now what we're looking for here is a gap, and we got the two muscles go down, and you want to find the edge of those muscles, and you can see where you have potentially a separation. It's not just about the gap, it's also about the depth, how far your hand can go in, okay? We have other videos that you can watch which demonstrate this in more detail, so certainly click onto those and watch those now.
For more videos just like this, visit PregActive.com.